In the fire service, tradition is more than ceremony. It's the backbone. Lessons, discipline, pride, passed from one set of hands to the next. It's the bond that makes a crew a brotherhood and a department a family. Here in Titusville, that tradition runs deep in the way we train, the way we work, the way we stand watch over this town. And at the heart of it all stands a piece of our history, the 1925 American La France. In her day, she was the cutting edge. A lifeline on wheels, she carried the water, the hoses, and the hope of a growing town. With every run, she earned her place in our story. Now, a century later, she's more than a machine. She's a witness to the ones who came before. Firefighters who faced the flames with less than we have now, but with every ounce of courage they could muster. A bridge from past to present, a reminder that when we suit up, we carry their legacy. 100 years on, the La France still stands for the same truth, that service endures, courage doesn't age, and tradition never fades.